If you are a fan of Ryobi tools or just love checking out the latest in power tools, you're at the right place. Ryobi rolls out a ton of new products every year and it can be tough to keep track. So today, we're breaking down some of the best new Ryobi tools you'll want to keep an eye on in 2025. Let's dive right in. First up, we've got a beast. It's Ryobi's new 40-volt HP brushless 20-inch chainsaw. This thing is equivalent to a 52cc gas engine, but without the noise, fumes, or maintenance. Compared to Ryobi's previous 20-inch cordless chainsaw, this one's lighter, more powerful, and faster. It cranks the chain at up to 24.5 meters per second. And with an 8 amp hour battery, you can expect 100 cuts per charge. It'll take down trees up to 36 inches in diameter, which is seriously impressive. And at just over 13 pounds bare, it's manageable for its size. Price comes in at $349 as a bare tool. Next, let's talk blowers. The 40-volt HP brushless 800 CFM blower is one of Ryobi's strongest handheld models yet. It pushes out air speeds of up to 180 miles per hour and scored over 25 newtons of blowing force in testing. It's also part of Ryobi's Whisper series, which means it's up to 82% quieter than gas. With a single 8 amp hour battery, you'll get up to 85 minutes of runtime. Price is $229 for a bare tool or $329 as a kit with a battery and a charger. If you need even more power, check out Ryobi's new 850 CFM backpack blower. This is the strongest blower in Ryobi's lineup, actually outmuscling a 58cc gas unit. It's 40% lighter than their previous backpack blower, has 2 battery slots, and can run for up to 2 hours on 2 8 amp hour packs. Also part of the Whisper series is up to 83% quieter than gas models. The kit, which includes 2 batteries and a rapid charger, will run you about $579. Now, let's shift gears to plumbing. Ryobi is rolling out 3 new drain augers. First, a compact 3-foot USB lithium model for sinks and small drains, a 25-foot 18-volt 1+ model for up to 2-inch drains, and a 35-foot 18-volt 1+ model that handles larger than 3-inch drains. The bigger augers support both auto and manual feed, plus a cable lock for tougher clogs. Pricing ranges from $59 up to $179 depending on the model. Car lovers, this one's for you. Ryobi's new high-flow automotive pressure washer delivers 1200 psi and 1.8 gallons per minute. While that psi might sound low, the higher flow makes it perfect for rinsing vehicles quickly without risking ruining any paint. It comes with everything you need to get started too. It's lightweight at 15 pounds, has a 40-foot hose, and includes 3 quick connect nozzles. And price is just $149. On the accessory side, Ryobi's new Maxview lag drivers are clever little inventions. They feature a cutout design that gives you a clear view of your screw head as you drive it in, so you can set it flush every time. They come in a 4-pack with magnetic tips plus a corrosion-resistant coating. Price is just $19.97 for the set. And finally, the 18-volt HP brushless 7¼ circular saw. This just isn't a small update, it's a noticeable upgrade. With a top speed of 5,000 RPM and a max cut depth of 2 9/16 of an inch, it has plenty of muscle for DIYers and homeowners. Ryobi even upgraded the build quality, swapping out plastic adjustment components for metal. Price is $139 for the bare tool. So there you have it, some of the best new Ryobi tools hitting shelves in 2025. From heavy-duty outdoor power equipment to smart accessories and workshop upgrades, there's something here for just about everyone. If you want to check them out, you can find all these new Ryobi tools at the Home Depot. So I have to know, which of these Ryobi tools is your next purchase going to be? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget, if you want to stay up to date on the latest tools, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and follow us along on Facebook and Instagram too. And as always, thanks for watching.